The woman slapped her cheeks rhythmically, trying to establish contact with the death row prisoner in the court through Morse code to help him escape from prison. Seeing this, Xiao Shuai pretended to be calm, and then secretly responded by blinking, while Xiao Mei hurriedly took the cake and sent down all the information conveyed by Xiao Shuai. Finally, after the trial, Xiao Shuai was sentenced to death and executed 2 days later, but she was not panicked at all, because Xiao Mei had already thought of a perfect escape plan at this time. According to Xiao Shuai's instructions, she came to a street and pressed the second brick on the wall. The next second, the wall began to rise automatically, and then a luxury car appeared inside. Then, Xiao Mei drove the car to the number 37 alert mentioned by Xiao Shuai. When she stopped the car, a magical scene happened. The mountain opened automatically and a hole was revealed. It turned out that this was Xiao Shuai's secret base. Afterwards, Xiao Mei entered the password Xiao Shuai had given her, and then a row of shelves popped out. Xiao Mei first took the banknotes on them, and then took the yellow and green bottles of medicine according to Xiao Shuai's instructions. After everything was ready, it was time for the most important step in the whole plan. She dressed up beautifully, and then found the Minister of Justice who liked her. Then she came forward and teased her with her nose. The minister fell in love with her instantly and said that as long as Xiao Mei could be with her, she would do anything for Xiao Mei. Seeing that the other party had taken the bait, Xiao Mei picked up the newspaper next to her and said that she was curious and wanted to meet the famous death row prisoner on it. The minister refused directly after hearing this. After all, he was a prisoner of the highest level. After hearing this, Xiao Mei pretended to be angry and wanted to leave. In desperation, the minister had to agree to her request. Seeing this, Xiao Mei couldn't help but smile triumphantly. Soon, Xiao Mei came to the prison under the leadership of the minister, and Xiao Shuai was also taken out by the prison guards, but she always pretended to be expressionless, which was actually part of the plan. Finally, the three were arranged in the interrogation room. After more than 20 minutes, Xiao Mei and the minister came out, and Xiao Shuai still had no expression on her face. The next day, it was the day for Xiao Shuai to wake up. She was pressed on the guillotine by static, but her expression did not change at all. It attracted the attention of the sheriff. She suddenly thought of the various human skin masks found in Xiao Shuai's home. She immediately realized that something was wrong, so she hurried over to stop the execution, but she was still a step too late. When she took off the mask, she found that the dead person was the Minister of Justice.